how to turn off sleep mode in Fortnite. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Fortnite sleep mode so that Fortnite no longer goes into sleep mode after it's been idle for 15, 20 minutes, something like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the menu by selecting your player icon in the top right of Fortnite. You could do this on a controller by selecting the menu button. Then just scroll to the right until you get to the gear and select settings. Once in settings, in the top menu, scroll until you see that controller with a gear labeled game. And then in that left menu, scroll all the way down to energy savings. And then go to the bottom there and you'll see activate sleep mode after. And all you need to do is select that. And then you could toggle it all the way to never, or you can change it to 60 minutes, something like that. So if you want to turn it off completely, select never, then just save these settings by selecting apply. And now you have turned off sleep mode on Fortnite. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.